Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today on Whit Monday. Yes, Pentecost weekend, and the second day is a Whit Monday. Today, no newspaper. All the stores are closed, and I've decided to continue with the last additional of Friday. All the puzzles of Saturday are solved, so there are three puzzles left of last Friday. Those are the Letter Sudoku, Sudoku with 2 stars. Look, it's from Friday, May the 21st, 2021, yes. And there's also a tectonic with 1 star. So those 3 Sudokus I will solve for you today. Alright, and the first one is a Sudoku, letter Sudoku. Letter Sudoku number 2836. Not the 5, but the 6. Okay. Let me do this correctly. 2836. And this one has 27 printed letters. Normally for numbers, digits, I'm faster than 15 minutes for a 27 printed digits. But for letter Sudokus, I need more minutes because every time the letters are different and I cannot do double checks. So let's get started. WAUEGIRKN. All right. Which number shall I pick? How about this big square? 4 missing letters. One of the missing letter is a W. We see a W, so no W in those 2 boxes. Here also a W. No W in this box, so 1 box left for W in this big square should be here. All right. 3 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letter is an I. We see here an I. So no I in these 2 boxes. So the I should be there. 2 missing letters now in this big square for the letters N and U. We have an N here, so no N there. N should be here, and the U goes there. All right. W in this row, W in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place for the W should be here. All right. Okay. Yeah. Let me scan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is an N. We see an N, no N in these 3 boxes. There an N, no N in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the N should be there. All right. A. Okay. K. And W should be there. G. Yeah. K in the last column, K in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the K should be here or there. We see there K, no K there. K should be here. All right. A. 3 missing letters in this column. One of the missing letters is an A. We see here an A, no 8 there. Here an A, no 8 there. The only place for the A should be there. 2 missing letters now in this column for the letters U and the U and the U and the G. U and the G. We see here the U, no U there. U should be here. And the G should be there. All right, 2 missing letters now in this middle row. One of the missing letters is an R. We see here an R, no R there. R should be there. And 1 letter missing in the middle row for the letter G, the I is missing, the I. Okay. A. E is missing. A, E, and A, E, and the U. Yeah. E, we have an E in this row, E in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the E should be there. So 2 letters are missing, the A and the U. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So now we have 2 boxes left in this row, A and the U. So those two boxes should be the I and the R. The R. We see here an R, no R there. R should be here. And the I should be there. Okay. R in this column, R in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the R should be here or there. We see there an R, no R there. R should be here. All right. R in the first column, R in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places for the R should be here, or there. We see here an R, no R there. Here an R, no R there. The only place for the R should be there. And all the R's are used. I can see. Digit number 1, letter R. Okay, letter R. In this big square, 4 missing letters. One of the missing letters is an A. We see here an A, no A in those 2 boxes. So the A could be here, could be there. So in one of those 2 boxes is an A. So this box cannot be an A anymore. That box should be an A. And this box should be U. All right. So we have a U in this column, U in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the U should be there. Okay. A. The G is missing. The W is missing. And the G, W. G, W, and A. Yeah. A. G, yes. All right, G in this column, G in the middle column. So the G, the column next, the only place for the G should be there. Okay. So now we have W and the G here in this row. And I'm missing the W and the G and the A in this big square. So no W and the G in this box. The W and the G goes in those 2 boxes. So So this box is reserved for the A. Okay. 2 letters are missing. The I is missing, and the I and the E. Yes, we have an I there, so no I there. I should be here, and the E should be there. Okay. Well. We have an A in this column, A in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the A should be there. What is this? Oh, wagon. Cry wagon. Alright. 2 missing letters in this big square for the for the letters U and the K. We have a K here, no K there. K should be here, and the U should be there. Okay. So we have a K in this column, K in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the K should be here. Or there we see there, K, no K there. K should be here. 1 letter is missing, the letter U. So now the goal is achieved. I have solved the word kruiwagen. Yes, wagen. In 12 minutes. All right. All right. Let me continue. U in this row, U in the second row, so the row above the first row. The only place for the U should be there. U in this column, U in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the U should be there. U in the first column, U in the second column, so the third column. The only 2 places for the U should be here. Or there we see here U, no U there, U should be here. And all the U's are used, I can see. Yeah. And all the R's are used, I can see. Oh, I already have the R's. Yeah. 2 letters are missing in the first row. The letters W and the N. We have an N here, no N there. N should be here and the W should be there. Alright, 2 letters are missing in this big square, the W and the G. W and the G. Let me mark those 2 boxes. W and a G. 3 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is an N. We see here an N. No N in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the N should be there. Now we have 2 letters missing in this big square for the letters I and the E. We have an E. I there, so no I there. I should be there and the E should be there. Alright. 2 missing letters in this big square for the letters I and the W. We see here W, no W there. W should be there and the I should be there. Now I have a W there. So no W in this box. The W should be in that box. So one letter left in this big square for the G. One letter left in this row for the letter N. N is missing. N. Okay. N in the first column, N in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places for the N should be here or there. We see there and then no N there. N should be there. N. All the N's are used. I can see. Yes. A in the third column, A in the first column, so the column between the second column. The only two places for the A should be here or there. We see there and A, no A there. A should be there. And all the A's are used. I can see. Yes. How about the W? W in the third column, W in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the W should be there. Now we have a W there. So this box cannot be W. That box should be a W. And this box should be a G. And all the W's are used. I can see. Yes. One letter left in this second row for the letter K. K is missing. Two letters left in this big square for the letters E and G. E and G. E and G. E and G. Two letters left in the first column for the letters I and the I and R. No R. I and K. I and a K, yeah, I and a K. We have a K there, no K there. K should be here. And I should be there. Two missing letters in this big square for the letters E and the G. We have an E there, no E there. E should be there and a G should be there. Now we have a G there, so this box cannot be G anymore. That box should be a G. And this box should be an E. Finished in 18 minutes. Well, I'm pleased with the time. For 1 star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. But for a letter Sudoku, I need more time than a Sudoku with digits or numbers. I'm pleased with the time. If you like this, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku. A Sudoku with 2 stars we have. See you then. Bye bye for now.